Foods to avoid and eating technique with braces. The most common foods that break the brackets and wires are hard and sticky candies such as taffy, Skittles, Starbursts, caramels, gummies, suckers, Jolly Ranchers, Hard Mints, and Lifesavers. Please avoid these. Candies that are okay to eat with braces include plain M&Ms, Hershey's chocolate bars, cookies, or cake that don't include nuts or sticky candy. Ultimately, sugar should be consumed as little as possible to avoid plaque buildup. So make it a treat and not a daily snack. And make sure you always brush when you're finished. Other foods such as chicken nuggets, chips, pizza, and hamburgers are all okay to eat with braces, but you will need to change the way these foods are eaten. If you bite into these foods with your front teeth, it may knock your braces off. The proper way to eat with braces is to tear or cut your food up and chew with your back teeth. Small bites are ideal.